this video, we will review SiriusXM's fish mapping sea temperature information using a Furuno display. Select the icon with the plus sign from the home screen. Next, select the fish mapping icon from the page choices. Then select the green check mark at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You can now access fish mapping from the home screen by tapping on the fish mapping icon. After clicking on the fish mapping icon, the nautical chart will be displayed. Swipe up from the bottom to reveal the fish mapping menu. Below the sea temperature header are 4 choices: off, SST contours, SST fronts, and -30 temp. Select SST contours. Then tap the X in the upper right-hand corner to close the menu. The red contour lines shown represent the sea surface temperature in areas across the screen. This information is updated every 3 hours. These contour lines show noticeable breaks where the water temperature is changing from cool to warm, attracting bait fish. Use these contours to help locate your target species based on their preferred temperature range. The number shown on the contour line is the temperature along that line. A new line represents where the temperature has changed by 2 degrees or more. If you look at the legend, you'll also notice that the areas with the cooler temperatures are shaded in light red, and the areas with the warmer temperatures are a darker red. To better define these colored contours, if we go back to the fish mapping menu and then select fish mapping settings at the bottom, this is where you can change the temperature settings, allowing you to only show contour lines in a specific temperature range. Here, we have changed the limits from 50 to 89 degrees to 77 to 87 degrees. Returning to the full screen, notice how there are not as many contour lines as there were before. Next, let's bring up the fish mapping menu and select SST fronts. Then tap the X in the upper right-hand corner to close the menu. This layer allows you to see the estimated strength of temperature fronts. These are areas where significant temperature changes create distinct boundaries between bodies of water. This information is updated every 24 hours. Steep temperature changes, or fronts, concentrate nutrients, which attracts bait fish and create barriers to fish movement. The location of strong and very strong fronts are good places to find game fish. Sea surface temperature fronts are based on a scale from 1 to 4, 1 being a weak front, 2 being a moderate front, 3 being a strong front, and 4 being a very strong front. Ideally, you are looking for strong or very strong fronts, as these are typically the most productive areas. Also, a good tip to remember is locations where both temperature and plankton fronts coincide. There tends to be even better fishing. Lastly, let's bring the fish mapping menu back up and select -30 M temp. Then tap the X in the upper right-hand corner to close the menu. This feature allows you to view the water temperature 30 meters below the surface. This information is updated every 24 hours. Different species of fish prefer specific ranges of temperatures. This information allows you to identify areas with the preferred temperature range of your target game fish in the area below the surface where they are likely to be hunting. As indicated by the legend, the areas with the cooler temperatures are shaded in light red, and the areas with the warmer temperatures are in darker red, the same as they were with surface temps. For additional information and videos, please visit our fish mapping website at SiriusXM.com/fish mapping. For videos specific to your branded display, visit our marine video library at SiriusXM.com/marine library. And for even more about using SiriusXM Marine, visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/SXM Marine. In addition, please follow us on our social media sites. If you have questions, feedback, or would like to share a story, please email us at marine.support@SiriusXM.com. If you have specific questions about your Furuno hardware, please visit www.furunousa.com/en/get_support. Thank you for watching.